Asus has just announced its new White Edition graphics cards, including the ROG Astral RTX 5090 and ROG Astral RTX 5080 White, Tuf Gaming RTX 5070 Ti, and Prime RTX 5070 White. One of these cards is also available in a BTF variant, which stands for Back to the Future, and refers to a graphics card with a hidden power connector design. What's up, guys? Charles here. Hey there. We've gathered some of the best products just for you, packed with unbeatable value. Be sure to check out the pinned comment in the description for our top deals. The Tuf GeForce RTX 5070 Ti BTF White Edition is a special version of the standard non-BTF model. Users can choose between the regular power connector layout or an optional cable-free configuration. This is made possible by the updated GC-HPWR connector, a specialized PCIe-based power interface featured on second-generation BTF graphics cards. It supports up to 600 watts of power, though its only prior implementation was on the previous generation RTX 4090 Strix. For the RTX 50 series, Asus currently offers only the RTX 5070 Ti, 250 watts TDP, but with a key change. The connector is now removable. This allows users to choose between a standard 16-pin connector or the GC-HPWR interface, depending on their system. This change addresses the main drawback of the original BTF connector, its incompatibility with standard motherboards. Asus has confirmed that the ROG Astral RTX 5090 and 5080 White models will launch in the third quarter. The TUF White RTX 5070 Ti will be released by the end of this month, while the BTF version will follow in Q3. The Prime RTX 5070 White is also scheduled to launch by the end of this month. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.